I am trying to figure out what is going on in Trinidad. Now, it just seems like the police them are pick on the 6. You see, Trinidad is a very crucial place. Like I said, there is more corruption and brutal killings and lawlessness. Check this out.
The man and I cuss him out, him and run off now. And like he remember me and come back for me.
According to Thomas, police then took him to a known rival community.
He carried me on rum shit.
Now, you see the tactics the Trinidad police they use some of the wickedest tactics in the book to blood clot. Now, they thinking taking drunk or 6 to beat him is going to let him tell them anything where guns or anything is. This is a terrorized tactics the police them use, and something has to be done about it. Yo, Trinidad police them is some of the most corrupted police on the planet. Listen to the rest of it.
Right? I see Matt's boss, Plumpy boss. I see Percy and rolling there. You know me, I not coming out the jeep. They might have drag me out the jeep. When I tell that they drag me out the jeep. But nobody in it, man. Because
long story short, them take him to beat him, make him say Plumpy boss and Meds boss and Prezi, and then take him back to the station, drag him out of the jeep, take him back to the station. So what that is showing is that Prezi is working with the police, and you see, for that, me personally, I don't want to do this, you know. I don't want to do this. But me, I got contact somebody in power. Last but not least, Cayman 6 and his girlfriend got picked up by the police. We're gonna say arrested. For what? We don't know. This brings me to what I want to talk about with you. I did a video telling Cayman to pack up and leave Trinidad. I even tell Cayman to give me a call if he needs some help. But I heard through the grapevine, Cayman just lock up in the house and don't want to do anything. And finally the police went up in there and get him and his girlfriend. Now, do you guys realize what's been going on to the 6 camp? Take a look back at all the incidents from before J-Man them dead, Waka Dan, this, that. But do you guys realize what has been going on in the 6 camp? And I have said this many times before, and I am going to say it again. Now, before I say what I want to say about the 6 camp, this morning I got up and I decided to text the Prime Minister of Trinidad because I have his number, but I didn't. And one reason why I didn't, I need to know exactly what I'm gonna say to the Right Honorable Mr. Rowley, because I actually like the Prime Minister and I like the National Security Minister, and I also like Roger Alexander, Sergeant Inspector. So I like these guys, so I am gonna ponder it and I'm gonna think about it. But you best bumbo clout believe me, I will call the Prime Minister and I'm gonna tell him about Prezi. I just want to have the right message to give this Prime Minister, and I'm gonna pest them, and I'm gonna pest the Prime Minister to go down into Beetham and get motherfucking Prezi out. I am dead fucking serious. Like I said, I'm just trying to find the right message, you know, to give to the right honorable Prime Minister, because he's a big respectable man, and I cannot make it look like, you know, he's not doing his job and stuff like that. It's not about that. So I have to find the right message to tell this Prime Minister and President, yo, and I'm dead serious about this. With that said, I want to tell you what I think is going on inside the 6 camp. Now, look at the picture in front of you. That was when Cayman come from Barbados and them shoot up the car, kill J-Man and the other youth them. Now, when I did that video, I said unequivocally that somebody in the 6 camp is giving out information on these guys, and the more the 6 camp is getting disseminated by the Trinidad police, it is very revealing to me that the 6 camp, them have an informer in their camp that is giving out information on them, and that's what's going on. That's why you see the police pick up Jankro 6, they pick up 6 Dan, now they picking up Cayman 6. The 6 member then have to run out of Trinidad and be all over the place. You understand? Somebody in their camp is a straight legit informant giving out information on these guys, and that's what's going on. Them are work with the police and they're working with other people. Them actually killing out them friends, and that's what's going on down there in St. Paul. Now, this is gonna come out, and I want to remember, say, Countryman is the first man who said this. With that said, I am going to contact the Prime Minister. Believe me, I will get the balls to write this honorable Prime Minister a message, and I just want to craft the message in the right way. And I have another person number that I'm going to talk about in another video down the line. But yeah, I am going to do that. But yeah, the 6 camp, them have some people in there that's giving police and President, the 7 camp, information upon them, and that's what's going on. So that's what you see is going on. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.